This is a selective topic. This can be helpful for some and this will be helpful for, may not be for others. This is a universal topic and we all want to convince our patient for the finale treatment, because let's accept that there is a cutthroat competition. Many dentists are there. Right now I am staying at Central Plaza. Right in front of Central Plaza I have seen like somewhere around 13 to 14 dental clinics at one go. So I can completely understand that in your country also there is a cutthroat competition among doctors. So what do we sell first before selling our skills? We sell words. Words are very powerful. The way you portray yourself will be the finale thing for the one who is going to get treated in your dental chair. Words are those things that makes the transition of your patient from the consultation chair to the finale chair. Many of the times it happens that we tell the patient, we pitch the patient that these are the things which are required, but patients come and say, okay, we will not do it today, we will do it tomorrow, and they don't come back. So your motto should be, your word should be in such a way that once you speak and the patient becomes readily accepting for your treatment. That's my motto for the presentation, and I think it's a takeaway for everybody of me, you, everyone, so that we can practice and make good amount of money, right? So here are some formulas I will be highlighting how to convince a patient. How to convince a patient for the finale treatment. I am telling you the importance of all these tips and tricks. And finally, I'll close by telling some tips and tricks about practice management. So, formula number one is, you should know what kind of patients you are encountering. So, I have categorized patients into three categories. It's not a theory. It is my own personal experience from past almost 2 decades, which I have faced, I have found, I have learned, that I am delivering it to all of you, okay? So there is category 1. Category 1 are those patients who come by seeing your advertisement on internet portals like Google search engine optimization or your websites or like local search engine hubs. In India we have Just Dial, in India we have Google search engine optimization, in India we have Practo, Librate.com and many other such portals. And if there is nothing, there are doctors who make their own websites and pitch on the browsers. Okay, that also helps. So in such cases, if any patient comes by seeing your internet advertisement and comes to you, so that is category 1. Category 2 is like walk-in patients. Some patient is in a dental pain and like by walk-in itself, he or she found your billboard and comes to you. That is category 2. Category 3 is a referred case. Suppose if any patient long back got treated very nicely and you have got amazing results to him or her, he is a satisfied patient, he or she will be referring you many other patients. So these patients are called referred patients. So I have categorized them in category 3. Okay. Now category 1 patients, these are tech savvy patients. Tech savvy patients means they will be cat category patients. Why I am saying like cat category patient? Like cat animal you have seen, right? They will go to one place, then they will go to another place. They will take rates from every other doctor, and jiska kam hoga, whoever will be the lesser one, whoever will be offering the least price, they will go to that doctor. So they are cat category patients. So, and they are somewhat Google doctors also. That's very irritating also. But you can convince those patients also. It is not difficult. It is not impossible. Yes, it is difficult. They are little hard nuts to crack, but they are not impossible patients. So deal with them in a very cautious manner. Now, category 2 is a patient which may have come by seeing your billboard. Okay. And their conversion prospects for the finale treatment is better than category 1. Then category 3 are referred cases, and they are the best cases because they have come from mouth to mouth publicity. Mouth to mouth publicity, I think that's the best kind of advertisement. Nobody could ever conquer this mode of advertisement, because somebody who gives the testimony to his or her relative or known patient, he or she will neither go for any advertisement or any saying. He or she will directly come to you and will say, that relative got treatment from you and it was amazing, please do the same with me also. So these cases are referred cases and they are one of the best cases. Okay. So for the finale treatment means happens that category 3, they get converted the most easily because they are referred cases. Then usse thoda sa kam will be your walk-in patients. Then the least conversion will be the online patients who are like CAT category patients. I am sure you might have faced with the same thing which I am facing. Okay. Then step 2. Step 2 is listen to your patients very carefully. When they give you the chief conditions, what were their experiences with the old doctors? Was that good? Was that bad? What expectation are they looking for into you? Are they looking for the same expectation what they have it with their previous doctors, or they had a bitter experience with the ex-doctors? You have to record all this into your mind and listen to your patients very carefully. Okay. Use intraoral camera. I tell you, you buy whatever good number of, it's fine. But intraoral camera and X-ray machine, they are the must that should be there in your clinic. Why? Because that helps in magnifying the picture of the patient, of that chief complaint area, and that makes the patient aware, okay, this has happened to me. Because by only saying that this has happened to you, occlusal caries has happened to you, the patient will be blind. He doesn't know occlusal caries, he doesn't know proximal caries, he doesn't know class 3, 5, nothing doing.